is Marko, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check Roblox favorite items. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is open up your Roblox app. You want to click on more at the bottom right and then go to profile. Once you're here under your profile, you want to scroll down until you see view full profile. You want to tap on that. And once you are here on this screen, you see these three dots on the right side of my name. You want to tap on that and you have favorites. And basically this will show all of your favorites. Now, it's not showing for me because I don't have favorite items in this category or in any category. But basically this is how you will find your favorites. Then you can buy them using Roblox, equip them, etc. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.